Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. This time, we're watching a disruptive courtroom moment where someone tries the patience of one of my favorite judges, Judge Simpson. Let's get into it.
Calls the case of the people versus Shabab Jackson.
We're ready on that, Matty.
We're willing to bring for the people.
Mr. Jackson, could you state your name for the record, please?
Shihab Jackson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the probable cause conference. My client respectfully requested this matter be set for preliminary examination at the earliest possible date.
April 4th, 2023, 9 a.m. before me.
What happens before now and then with concerning bond?
You're out on bond now, Mr. Jackson. Is there some aspect that you want to have addressed?
Yeah, I have to. Well, it's Ramadan right now, and I have religious obligations as well as work obligations in general. And for some reason, it wasn't a drug case or have anything related with drugs. And I'm on what do you call it? The daily reporting thing. And I believe I may have. I think I missed mine yesterday. I don't mean to be in violation, but I'm just sort of struggling with that and confused as to why that is.
Your Honor,
if there's a way to lessen that, or like I don't see the reason for being on for drug testing.
Staying out of trouble is your goal, then following the conditions of your release like drug testing isn't optional. It's part of the deal that lets you remain free while waiting for trial. And forgetting that could cost you.
Your Honor, having heard what Mr. Jackson has stated, we'd ask that the tether aspect or the drug testing aspect actually be reduced in this case or dismissed in this case. As he stated, there is no drug aspect to this case whatsoever. And this just serves as an added burden on him.
He's on intermediate supervision.
I'm not sure why.
I'll handle it, Mr. Jackson. I got you.
As set by the magistrate back in the beginning of March. I'm disinclined to change that at this point. I guess I'm not sure why his testing, why Ramadan would interfere with his testing. I understand that he may have certain obligations, but I have other individuals who are engaged in the celebration of Ramadan who aren't having these issues.
Well, it's not celebratory, sir. I just fail to see the connection with the nature of my case and having to go out of my way and pay money that I really don't have and time that I don't have to drug test on this.
The whole point of bond conditions, you're facing criminal charges, and to reduce the risk of you fleeing before trial, the court requires regular substance testing. Like it or not, it's not optional, it's a rule.
That's not a basis for me to change it. I thought that what he was indicating, because he had started out that it was Ramadan, and I thought that there was some interference with what he had to do, but I'm not changing it. I'm going to leave his bond as continued. We can see him on the 4th.
Thank you, Adam.
So is it not possible to amend the drug testing, Your Honor? I understand is it just a...
Okay, so hold on.
Yes,
hold
sir.
on. I think I already said that, and I wasn't going to say anything. I will make, Ms. Williamberry, I'll make all the changes that you want. I'm just going to tell you something, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will do what I can for people. I am also very for those that work around me. I got a message that you were very insulting to my clerks. So you ought to be that I'm
Mr.
letting
Jackson,
you
stop talking.
I can't hear. I'm just seeking clarity, sir.
Mr. Jackson, stop talking.
I'm not talking, sir.
So
that's what you just did.
See, it's that attitude that's the problem. So what
Sir,
I'm going to do is I will. You need to be quiet.
I am.
Stop talking, completely not keep pushing your luck until you're facing contempt of court. If you're found guilty of that, it could violate your bond conditions and lead to your bond being.
Sir,
Mr. Jackson, let the judge talk.
I understand. I'm not sure if there was a mute or something. I'm just making sure. I understand.
Okay, so you don't have to respond to everything that's said. You don't have to get the last word. That's not.
I'm not trying to. My life is on the line here. That's all. That's all.
Okay, you know what? You know what? Put some deputies at that door right now. Right down there at the door. Because he apparently just called security to get him down at that door. Because apparently he doesn't want to listen to his attorney. He doesn't want to listen to me.
Sir, I'm just seeking clarity on the matter. That is all. I promise. I'm a black man in the system, just trying to fight for his freedom. That's all.
Okay, so am I. So don't even try it.
Freedom,
don't even try it. Don't even try it.
Don't even try
Alan,
what,
get
sir?
down there.
Tyree
Get down
Nichols,
there. Get down there, Alan.
beat black
Just
people.
get down there. Take him in.
Sin is the last person you want to accuse of bias. He's consistently fair, treats everyone with respect, and expects the same in return. I've never seen him judge anyone based on race. And yes, that was him just now ordering the bailiff to bring someone in from the nearby Zoom courtroom because the guy was acting completely out of line. Let's just say his exit was already overdue. Next.
Sir, I'm going to find you in contempt for interrupting the court.
I'm not
Mr. Brown, if you've got somebody down here, he can come in, he can see me in person. We'll wait for a prosecutor to get down here and I'll deal with this in person. I'm passing it right now, but right now he's being taken in because I'm not dealing with him. I'll pass this matter.
Sir.
Mr. Jackson, if you will just maintain your.
Court does call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jessica Lynn Kyle.
Mr. Ganatra, first assistant prosecuting attorney on behalf of the people.
Zachary Ward on behalf of Ms. Keel, Your Honor. Can we approach very briefly on this matter?
You really want to go into a room with me right now?
Your Honor,
sure,
I don't think.
Yeah, give us a bench conference.
Your Honor.
Mr. Ganatra and Mr. Ward into a room with me.
Closely, especially after he firmly dealt with a particularly unruly defendant, but he quickly composed himself and kept things light for the next attorneys. Later, that same defendant returned to the courtroom and finally did what everyone had been hoping for. Stayed quiet long enough to let his attorney speak on his behalf.
The defendant returns to the courtroom later on in the docket and does exactly what all of you have been screaming at your monitors for him to do and shuts up long enough for his attorney to defend him.
Court recalls the case of the people versus Shaham Jackson.
Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson, would you state your name for the record, please?
Jackson.
All right. We're here. I set this already for preliminary examination, and it didn't seem to me, quite honestly, that the defendant was being cooperative with anything, and I didn't know what his problem was. And so I was considering revoking his bond and having him sit. But I would like to give him an opportunity or have counsel explain to me what's going on with this young man, because the behavior was unacceptable.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Jackson, and I want to start with that. We did talk about, and I was able to explain to him what contempt is considered in court. We went over that the definition is a willful act, omission, or statement that tends to impair the authority or impede the functioning of the court. In the course of our conversation, I learned that in 2015, so approximately 7 years ago, during Ramadan, Mr. Jackson was incarcerated and his grandmother died, and he was unable to get a pass, go to the services, spend any last few days with her. And so this time frame specifically is very triggering, but definitely with him being involved in court again. He has indicated that he would allow me to do the talking today to demonstrate just what he's doing right now. And so with that, we are asking that Your Honor give him another opportunity to come into court on his own.
Sure, do you think he deserves another shot? Drop your thoughts in the comments while we hear what Judge Simpson has to say next.
Well, and I'm going to tell you from my standpoint, he kept trying to overtalk me, and that ultimately, and you can tell him Ms. Gaines, anybody that's been before me, that will never happen. And then, but what was so bad is the person that's trying to help you, Mr. Brown, is trying to get you to be quiet. And you kept talking. And I don't know where you thought you were going to get to. But I can tell you right now, you do that in my court, this is where it leads. I can't tell you necessarily that you're going to listen to your attorney, but you're certainly not going to sit up there and interrupt them. And I'll tell you, I've been doing this for a long time, and when I see somebody that's not listening to their attorney, especially somebody that's esteemed as Mr. Brown, and others telling you what to do, that's a person that's not going to listen to anything. I have to almost believe they're not going to listen to anything I'm telling them to do. Those are the people that end up getting themselves incarcerated. I'm then also very disturbed that you've got defense counsel, and then you're down at the prosecutor's office. I don't even know why you're down there. Well, you're trying to give them something or whatever, and you're trying to give them something. You haven't told your attorneys that what you're doing. That doesn't even make any sense. It's almost like you want to get locked up. I will be honest with you, sir. You know, I looked at the charges and see your previous record. I get what may have happened to you in 2015. I see the timing of it when I'm looking at your record, but then I see what you did afterwards. Whatever your thoughts are, you just got to do better. There is no reason coming in here today that this should even be occurring. Tell you what, I'm going to trust Miss Gaines. Miss Gaines tells me that I should give you another chance. And Mr. Brown told me the same thing, that I should give you another chance. These are these people you won't listen to, by the way. But if they tell me to give you another chance, I'll give you another chance. But I'm going to let you know, you don't have any other opportunity with me to mess up. You mess up, I'm sending you. Am I understood?
That a yes?
I'm also going to add so I will continue his bond. He can be released to custody. I have the amended complaint. I am going to also add as a condition of his bond to be entered into lien that you are not to go within 500 feet, except if you're going to, well, that's outside of the 500 feet of the Washtenaw County Prosecutor's Office in downtown Ann Arbor. You understand that?
He's indicated yes, sir.
Pardon?
He's indicated yes, sir.
All right, very good. So we're adding that to lien. So I want you to know what that means. If you're within 500 feet of their offices, police officers come on you. They can arrest you on that. So don't say you didn't understand because I explained it to you. Anything further?
No, thank you.
All right, his bond can continue. He can be released.
That's it for today's video. Looks like Judge Simpson's compassionate side won out, which was likely the right call. Even if this guy seems like someone we'll be seeing again for contempt, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Don't forget to comment and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.